I have washed many cars, however. This model is the first official project of Oficina del Pilota. It is a Miami blue Mini Cooper SR53, a Porsche-derived color, a magnificent work made by Gasparo. An incredible job on the paint job. But Giovanni Nardi of Nardi Motorsport also thoughtfully gave it a new engine and many other special features, which I hope you saw in the previous video. I'll leave the link here in the upper right-hand corner, so in case you haven't seen it, you can go see it. I feel excited to wash it because it is beautiful. It is dirty because it has been in the workshop for so long. However, now is the time to make it shine. It's time to wash it, and I don't know if you believe it, but I'm excited. Look at this, guys. Carbon door handle cover, carbon gas tank cap, lightweight GP-style skirts made of glass resin, which we mounted in a flawless way, even better than the ones from the parent company. The fenders also made of RSI C6 that give it a more racing touch. Classic 17 rim, of which we have two versions, black or also silver, from Otec. Oversized braking system from EBC with RPX pads for track use. Headlights and headlamps that have been modified by Total Tuning of Venice. And among many other improvements, the John Cooper Works bumper, John Cooper Works exhaust, Mini GP style rear spoiler that make this car truly special. A €50,000 restoration, crazy. Be careful though, because this car will be sold only and exclusively to a follower of Oficina del Pilota if you follow us on YouTube and on TikTok, Instagram and all the social networks where we are present and where we post this kind of content. And of course, if you have bought one of our beautiful sweatshirts, our wonderful caps, then you will be entitled to a discount of over €10,000 on this project. I will tell you the final price of the car in the next video, when we have finished restoring the interior as well. Guys, are we going to wash this car now? I'll show you how easy it is to wash a car with Maniac Line products from Mafra, which will give the bodywork a shine you don't expect. Guys, subscribe to the channel, it's free, it's one click, it's very important for me and to continue to support this channel. Be sure to also turn on the bell, put on your headphones and enjoy watching. Guys, I always start with the rims, using iron remover, which removes all ferrous particles on the rims, bodywork and windows. Obviously there is more on the rims because there is also residue from the brake pads. So it's a really important step and then it gives me satisfaction. I always help myself with the brush from the red series, which is a little bit harder than the lime series, which this one is gentler. I spray the product on the rim and then begin to remove the ferrous particles on our beautiful car. As you can see, the delivery is very vaporous. If you tighten it, becomes a little bit more direct in case you want to reach a little bit farther. Or doing it in this manner, as you can observe. It's absolutely fantastic. In the meantime of this product acting and waiting for it to turn a purplish color, let me show you something else. Here, I wrapped the car with an electrostatic sheeting when I went to Nardi's because it had just been repainted and I was terrified that it might get scratched during the various stages of engine work. So I wrapped the whole car by putting tape on it. Since the car had been in the shop for almost a year, when I peeled off the tape, the whole adhesive part was stuck, glued to the seals and also to the bodywork. A blow that I won't tell you. This product literally saved me. Deca Flash removes tar and adhesive residue. Guys, therefore I had a whole carton of them shipped to me from Mafra. You wait a minute, wipe with the microfiber cloth and all the sticky dirt disappears. This is amazing. This is absolutely insane, incredibly intense stuff. Here, there was all the adhesive residue and now it's gone. Perfect. And I won't tell you these door seals how they were tanned. It was my mistake as I left the tape for too long and did not use the thream, the one that costs €8 a roll. However, at that moment I was in the situation of panic, and with this Deca Flash I solved my problems. There it has acted, now it has turned purplish. Now with the red brush I help myself to dislodge the remnants of ferrous particles. We proceed ray by ray with a lot of patience and a lot of will, but above all goodwill. Then these circles, they're so beautiful. It's a pleasure to do this work. It's a joy at the rinse stage. Since I am such a fanatic and can never be content, I have now added another feature called wheel and tire to this product. It effectively eliminates all the dirt that accumulates on the road, including brake dust. Additionally, it can clean the tires, even if they are new and have only traveled about 50 kilometers. These particular tires, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport, possess an attractive design that I admire in every way. How they are carved and the fact that they are strong in the rain, although I haven't tried them yet. So same process, I go and spray the product even on the tires. Change brush, I go to always use the red by taking another clean brush. I usually, after using the brushes, I rinse them thoroughly, wash them so that when you reuse them they are as good as new, is easier to clean. I highly recommend that you wash your car on a weekly basis to prevent ferrous residue from accumulating in the rim channel. I learned this from personal experience when I went an entire month without washing my car and found that the RPX pads I was using suffered due to this negligence. I had incredibly powerful braking, but there was also a significant amount of residue sticking to this particular part of the rim, including inside the channel. Unfortunately, I was unable to clean it for a whole month, and this made removing the residue quite difficult. I should have rinsed it here as well. At this point we will do the pre-wash, which is very important. To avoid during the shampooing phase scratches, I recommend from the bottom to the top. Go more in depth if you want, I'll leave a tab here on the top right. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant hue and appreciate the fluid consistency of the preliminary wash. It effortlessly eliminates every speck of dust from the bodywork. Now, given a wise choice, we engage in a thorough rinse. Should we progress from the bottom to the top or begin at the top and work our way down? Rinsing should be done from the top downward. Do you guys want to hear it now? I do. how it sounds. I love this scent. Pre-wash done. Here's the double bucket, one with the ceramic shampoo, which will be done from the bottom up and will need to be rinsed from the top down, and the second bucket to continuously rinse the glove, so as to keep it clean at all times to avoid scratches on the bodywork. Obviously with the pre-wash we got to a good point. But guys, before we start with this ceramic shampoo, write me below in the comments if you want to see the mini also with the Ortec rim, which mounts that other one, or black or silver. Let me know below. Let's say from my experience that after washing some, the dilution is 7 liters of water and 4 caps of shampoo. What a fragrance. In this case, from the bottom up. Here, as I told you in the intro, now it is really exciting because a bodywork like this you have never seen. This shampoo does its job, making the surface extremely silky, water repellent, ceramic. The result is that, okay, so made the bumper rinse the glove. There is a grid at the bottom of the bucket that allows us to let the dirt come off. We re-soak the glove in the shampoo and go over here, making sure to cover the entire surface. A little bit is tiring, but guys, how beautiful is this sweatshirt? I mean, how beautiful is this sweatshirt? We have it like this. We have it blue, black, and yet white. Beyond t-shirts, caps, what are you waiting for? Go check out our e-commerce. Go to www.officinadelpilota.com. With the front done, I start again with the sides, again starting from the bottom. Guys, I know I will be repetitive, but it is too much to look at this car. We made the most beautiful Mini in Italy. The extractor is still missing, and attention, the interior is also missing attention. We have to put a lot of things in place because you know that a project like this, if you start it right, you finish it better. Otherwise, if you can't finish it, you are nobody. But it's not for the sake of being cool because you made a cool Mini. It's just for the sake of it. That is, I don't like the idea of selling it. However, if I sell it to a real follower of Officina del Pilota, who loves the 53 and has followed all the projects we've done, then he deserves it, and he also deserves a big discount. This then, guys, it's a major paint job because there was a color change. The car was disassembled all. Here we really started from scratch, turned a €1,000 piece of junk into a €40,000 car. Now you can buy it or not. It may seem too much to you. It may seem little to you. You judge that, even based on what you saw in the old video. You want to put the taste you get from the car you like, a 20-year-old young timer, the taste you get from bringing it back to new, because new cars lack this character, this identity. Personally, they give me more satisfaction than modern cars. We also saw the Mini GP3, a missile, but then when you drive it, it conveys little. So for me, it was worth it. I would do it again. It was tiring, but I would do it again. Rinsing from the top. And here, gentlemen, you will notice what happens after ceramic shampoo. Watch the water clump together, how it opens up, how it slides off the bodywork. With such ease only happens with this shampoo. Domenico did a great job painting it. So it looks is fantastic. It's very, very spectacular. Dry, I have strong doubts about the hypothesis that this car could have come out better overall in the restoration. I have strong doubts that there are better products than these. Look, it's back to new. It was dirty, now it's clean, really, guys. It's really, really clean. All of this is fantastic. It's very fantastic. Guys, below in the description, I leave you the link of the products. Go and see it. Of all the products, Mafra and Maniac Line of Mafra, I tell you that I did not want to purposely complete the work with quick detailer or ultra speed wax, because now this car will be clean to the maximum and it will be polished all over. We are transforming this into a showcase vehicle, and any minor imperfections in the paint job, even if barely noticeable, will vanish thanks to the mastery of Gasparo. However, we still aspire to take it a step further and push the boundaries, because this magnificent car truly deserves it. I leave you reminding you to subscribe to the channel, to turn on the bell, and then most of all I greet you with some spectacular images in B-roll with some music in the background for this work of art, for this masterpiece. I remind you that only the interior is missing. It will enter leather car soon. This car already has everything ready, but it needs to be assembled. After that, with unbelievable anxiety, we will take it on the road. Because a SAS, you never know. But who knows, the wraps won't make us a nice PPF or something like that. In short, let's put this icing on the cake. Guys, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. I love you. And we, as usual, will see you in the next episode. Bye, guys.